Hope you have a nice day, and if not, try to make an app to make it great. We will learn Adobe Illustrator CC 2023 interface and some basics. So my friend, without any further ado, let's get started. So jump into the magical world of Adobe Illustrator. Here you can see first of all here on the top right is the logo of Adobe Illustrator, and here on the above the quick file, edit, objects, type, select, effect, view, window help. We will learn all that one by one in another one, but for now simply go on home. Here you can see create new, and here and you can see open, and here are the some sizes. Start a new file list, letter size and postcard, common, iPhone X, HD, and more presets. You can click on more presets from here. You'll open a sub menu and you can take, there are some recently sizes which I have used, but you can go to mobile, web, and you can go for which you are designing. For example, I go for letter size. Here you can see width and here height. Here you can change the units, pixels, font, pixels, and so on. First of all, present detail. Here you can give the name. For example, I give the name basic, and go down. Here's the orientation, portrait or landscape. Here you can define artboard. For now, I simply go for 1. And here is the bleed area, top, bottoms, left and right. Can give if you want, but you can go for advanced option, color mode, CMYK. If you are going for screen printing, just for screen, you can go for RGB color, and if you are go designing for printing, so you can go for CMYK color. And here the raster effects, go for high. I will recommend high, 300 ppi is good result. And here is the preview mode, default, go for default, and has the more setting also, but simply I go for now, I simply click on create, and here is the basic interface of Adobe Illustrator. Now here is the first of all, I will try to understand you to teach you. Here is the first and fast tool, that is selection tool. Now what is this tool? It is simply select objects and move here and there. You can select any object, shapes or image, but now before of that, my friend, for that I will, before teaching you that tool, but before that, my friend, you will need any object, image or shapes. So first of all, I want to tell you here on you can see rectangle tool. I want, because my friend, we need a shape, image or anything else. So if you press and hold the left click on that tool, you can see here there are many other tools: rectangle, ellipse tool, polygon, star tool, line, segment, and so on. So we will run them one by one in another one, but for now simply go for rectangle tool. Now one thing more, my friend, if you click here on the left side 3 dots, you can go for any other tool. You can customize which tool you want, you can add them, but simply go, I will recommend simply go on the 3 dot lines. You click on that, you can go for advanced. Now what is this? Add all the advanced tools. You can also minimize or customize that from here. 3 dots, you can add or delete that tools, but for now simply go for rectangle tools. Now click on rectangle. Here you can turn off or on fill or stroke from here also. Here I turn off that stroke, go for simply fill. You can change color from here also, double click on that, and you can also change color from that panel, color panel. If you not find the color panel here, you can go simply Windows and go for color. If it is checked, make sure that if it is checked color. You can also access many other tools from here. So now there is a one, if you did not find any panel here, you can simply go Windows and can access any tool that you want. You can check on that tool. For example, I want to actions, align, appearance, gradient, pathfinder, and so on. So you can check from here, but simply now I want to change that color from here. For example, go for text, or you can double click on that and simply go for that. Now come to the selection tools. Simply click on that, and is the shortcut of the selection tool is V. Again, selection tool's shortcut is V, and the shortcut of the rectangle tool is M. If you press M, you can directly go to the rectangle tool, and if you press V, you can go to selection tool. If you want to move that, you can move that with the selection tool. Now if you want to take a copy, you can take a copy with simply short key Control C or Command V, but my friend, it is not an efficient way. Here is an efficient way. If you press and hold the Alt key and then move that with the selection tool, you can take a copy with easily, but in a proportionally, you want to take any copy or drag in a proportionally, you can press the Shift key along with the Alt key. Now if you now move your cursor here and there, it will move with certain to that objects that you have copied. Let's see if I want here. Now first release the mouse left click, then move release the buttons. And now very simple, you can also change that color, for example that, and so on else. But I now undo that. Now how to undo that? Here is the shortcut, Control or Command Z. Again, Control or Command Z. We will step back. Further, it will undo the step that we have to. Now, if I want to hold the whole subjects, all the objects on the artboard, you can select all the objects with that selection tool and can move or whatever you want, you can do that. But for now, I want to take that copy of these two objects. Simply select them, and now again hold and hold the Alt key, and you can also press the Shift key along that it will move. Insert tray, something like here. Very simple. It makes Windows 11 logo. Very simple. So that's all for today. Hope this helps you, and if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. But in the next one, till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.